Guys, I am fired up. My Civic won an award at a 4x4 meet. I am so fired up. I could not believe it. And I just had to come on here and tell you guys because I'm jazzed. It's an award for barely surviving, but still, like, this is the award right here. It's just a decal, but literally people voted out of like 400 people. There's a lot of people there. It was the 4-wheel drive ABC out in Mission, show and shine. Oh my gosh, that made my day. Maybe my year, honestly. I took the Bronco last year. No prizes. I take this bad boy. All the prizes are raining in. Oh my, I couldn't believe it, guys. I was like, you're joking. The Civvy's goated? So huge thanks to everybody who voted for me. That is a freaking amazing. Huge shout out to 4-wheel drive ABC too, because that was a blast. They put on a great event. I even got ducked by 2 different ducks. Like, it's crazy. This thing's awesome. I kind of hung around it all day and people just ask a lot of questions, and it's just a troll vehicle, guys. Honestly, like, it just trolls. It's so funny. People just laugh. They see the sticker on the front and the back and they just laugh. Like, if I can put a smile on people's faces, that's great. So that's exactly what this vehicle's for. It's just funny. People see the Hemi badge, they're like, dude, it has a Hemi? They go nuts. And it's just a funny looking rig, and there's really nothing like it. I've never been so flooded by people before. Like, it was so cool. So huge shout out to everybody who's out there. Thanks so much for voting for me. That's the first thing I've ever won in my years of being in the car community. So thank you guys so much. The Civic does it all. It outperforms Jeeps. Now it's taking the Jeeps awards. Oh baby, it doesn't stop. It's gonna keep getting better, guys. I have a crazy idea for this. That actually my buddy Rob said it when we were talking at the meet. He might know, but I kind of want to send it. So again, it's kind of just a troll vehicle now. I don't know if I want to destroy it now, because it's just such a great vehicle to mess around with and just show up at meets with. So I mean, I think I'm gonna have to mount a GoPro, guys. Like at the top there, the reactions were priceless. Like, people just couldn't believe it. People loved it. They're taking pictures all day long. It's so great to see. So I'm parking it up for the day. I just put the 1 day on it. So just a quick video, guys, nothing crazy, but I wanted to share that I freaking won. I'm a winner. I'm a winner for an award for a vehicle. So I'm freaking jazzed. So thank you guys again. Appreciate it if you voted for me. I didn't even vote for myself. Like, that's crazy. I could have threw a vote in for myself. I didn't even do that. And I couldn't believe I won when they called my number. That was so funny. So Civic's a beauty. You guys are beauties. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.